So our primary concerns with roof safety, especially on the refrigeration side, is we have lots of equipment that's within 15 foot of the edge of our roofs. And to keep our employees safe during maintenance, during troubleshooting and repair, we have to set up temporary protection at each of those locations every time we do any kind of operation. So Case Farms decided to invest in safety, especially roof safety, at all of our facilities for employee welfare, to keep our employees safe. We have a lot of equipment and a lot of maintenance takes place on our roof levels at all our facilities. So it was worth it for us to invest the time and the money to make sure that we could efficiently perform that maintenance and perform those daily duties.
From a safety standpoint and perspective, the magnitude of this type of installation speaks volume on the safety culture that Case Farms has in wanting to keep their employees safe. CentiMark employees undergo a substantial amount of safety training. This type of safety training is conducted by safety professionals throughout the company, which in turn certify managers, field supervisors, and laborers to make sure that this type of installation is installed per manufacturer specifications.
So the primary safety concerns that we were looking to address was the railing around the roof, which keeps my guys safe while they're up here working on the valve groups, changing valves, and maintaining the equipment.
The roof safety measures that were implemented at Case Farms were mainly using what we call Raptor cart. And this cart is able to have multiple guys strap into it for safety features, while also not penetrating the roof system. So when guys are working near edges of roof where we have a lot of guardrail, they can do a lot of footage without having to stop or move their safety.
CentiMark approached this very well and very professionally. They brought their own experts as well as third-party experts in safety rail to come out to communicate well with us on what our needs were, as well as to provide their professional input to make sure that we meet OSHA requirements and that we keep our employees safe. The other part of this is that they were very successfully provided accesses for our daily routes. That was one of the most important parts of this, was communication to find out where we need the ladders, crossovers, safety rail, so that the project is successful.
The difference that I've seen is the ability for our employees to be able to move and transition from roof to roof and to be safe in their work, and most importantly, not having to harness off at every job site.
CentiMark is associated with some of the nation's leading manufacturers in fall protection. The type of fall protection that we recommend to a customer varies from customer to customer, and it all depends on their specific needs.
Our safety products and processes set us apart by offering our customers a aluminum rail system and ladder system, so rust, heat, weather don't really affect our products, as well as the ability to have a sleek design. So when you pull up on Case Farms, one of the things you'll notice is it just blends right in.
Well, I would strongly recommend CentiMark for their safety projects. We've been very pleased with the work that they've done here. During the time they were working here, they didn't interfere with our operations at all. I would strongly recommend them.
So I definitely recommend CentiMark for all safety-related roofing needs.